Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex Surfers for analyzing the major currency pairs, commodities, Bitcoin stocks. So before we get into this big analyzing, so this is my disclaimer. So this channel was started for an educational purpose only, not for financial investment, and I'm teaching how to analyze the Forex and commodities market and how I'm trading them according to my personal view with Elliott wave theory. So this view may change for each Elliott Edition trader, not the same view as mine. You can learn Elliott waves, and even I can also learn more from the experienced trader through comments in my post about Elliott waves. So I keep learning the market every day. I won't trade according to fundamental and sentimental. So I will trading and traded with 100% technical only what I learned from the books, video clips and some personal experiences. So this channel is fully based on Elliott waves and technicals only. My ambition is to create an awareness to the traders who losing still and lost the money because they're treating this business like a gambling. I'm not asking any investments and not conducting any classes for teaching Elliott wave theory and not having any social media groups like WhatsApp, Telegram and Facebook Messenger. Only I'm doing as a free in YouTube only. So be cautious and beware of the fraudsters, and I'm not responsible for any loss if you took the trade according to my trade plans explained here. So these are the watch list regularly what we have doing the analyzing through Elliott waves. So first we will move on to the DXY. So I think I need to show you that last week DXY what I said. This is my last week explanation of my chart, and I have posted it in TradingView as well as my Facebook pages. So what I thought is it has to decline from here. It's already did, and from here I am expecting the bounce. So it's already bounced from here, not from here. It's already came little bit decline up to 95.68 something, and then again it bounced as per as in the live chat. So we will go to that live chat. Exactly it came. So what I thought is expected from here, but it's again it declined. So let's move on to that 1 hour chart. So from here I thought, so now it already came down and now it bounced from here. So as per this, the daily chart looks bullish and the weekly chart is an bullish pin bar. So now this week it made a retrace again 96.3 like that, and again it can shoot. So that I will explain you in that Euro USD, AU, NU everything. So in the DXY also. So what I'm expecting is in 1 hour chart, it's look like it's a wave 1. I think it's finished here. The 1, 2, 3, and these are all the 4 and 5. So this could be a leading diagonal. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is a triangle, and 5th way is completed. So this could be a 1 and this could be a 2. So this is a smaller one, and we are in that second wave of smaller 2. So what I'm expecting here is little bit higher. It can retrace, and then again it can decline up to here, and it can continue to the higher way. So this is my bias and this is my predictions. So as per this what I said, it's already happened. From here A, B, C is completed. So now we are in that X wave. Now it is getting ready to shoot to break this previous high 103.82, and as well as this also it can break, but this is the right time and it has a chances to make a new high. So what we have to do is we need to buy, and I already bought AU NU short UCAD in buy, So UU in sell. So everything we are in that long in dollars. So from here what I am expecting is it has to shoot to break this high, but it can do complex correction also, because simply I will explain you in the positional view. Here is a 1, so this is a 2, this is a 3, this is a 4, and we are in the 5th wave. So in this here also, in this daily chart, here also what I explained is it's ABC1, so ABC2, this whole thing is A, B and C is 3 is completed, and we are in the 4th wave. So this can be a little bit more complex correction also here. What we have to do is we need to buy here dollar. So already it bounced what I expected. Now it can make a 3 waves, bigger 3 waves to shoot that 103.82. It has to break, but it's immediately it will break, or it will do more complex correction in this zone, and then it will took off. For example, so if it is a ABC is a A, here it can make a 3 waves as a B, C, D, E. So this could be a consolidation triangle in that X wave, then it will took off. Because what I am expecting here is dollar has to be continued strength up to US election in November. It's held, I think so. So at that time it will consolidate here. After the result it will shoot. Then once it broken this 103.82, it has to be decline. That is my bias, whole bias, because once it reached here, this is a correction. So one more impulsive to the downside is there. So it has to break. Positionally it's 70. It has to break. But that is a long, it's a positional view. So right now what we have to do is we need to be in buy. So we are there. It has to break this high. But when it will break, that we can't say. So right now what we have to do is we need to buy dollars and short against everything the dollars. So whether it will go right now and it will immediately break that high of 103.82, can't say, but there is an opportunity to make a new high, or it can again decline from this 101 or 102 like that to make a complex correction in this zone. So this is my bias, and we will move on to Euro USD. So that also I explained. That's okay. Yeah, the Euro USD last week what I show is from here it can decline. There is a chances for more because of DXY getting strength, so it has to decline. So right now it already declined from here. What I said is from here in last week. Now it already make a new high. So now there is no change in that. It has to decline. And this channel also. So I explained this as a W. We can make it as a B, C, D, E as a triangle. So this could be a B, C is a Y, or this we can make it as a X, and this could be an A. So B can be ended here or here. Anyway, this could be the one single swing, and wave 2, so 3. If it is a W and this is a, so this could be a B wave, means C is in 5 waves. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here is the confusion for me. If we took like that, so this is a wave 1 of C, 2, 3 is ended here, 4, and how I have to take this is a 5 waves, means This is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I just took this as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's like I have kept this at wave count. It could be an end. So what I did is I have already sold at 1.3375. I already informed that, and 1.3325 also. So I'm having the two positions. Right now it is in profit, but I didn't done anything, just simply holding that, watching there, but I didn't short again here because I'm already having the two positions, so I didn't done. So right now one doubt is whether if it is a 1, 2, this could be either the three-way structure also, this one, if it is there, I will change the color. So 1, 2, 3 is ended here. So this could be a fourth way, means fifth way has two chances for making a one more new high also. So it's already broken the channel. If we kept it 1, 2, exactly the 3 and 4 is retraced, exactly the same trend line taking the support, and fifth way is completed. But even though sometimes it has to, because everybody will make a stop loss here and they will ride in this short position, but it can do like this also. So I'm not sure about this still, because I didn't done anything here. I'm just simply holding that without stop loss. So it has a chances for making this also. So beware of that. And if it does this, I won't add any more lots because I am having already 2 lots. So that is maximum for me. After that, if it comes to the downside, then only I will add. Otherwise I will play in intraday only, because if it is in one more new high, means then we come to know, okay, that is the end of the completion. But this is also confirm me, even though it's already broken the channel, even though sometimes what it will happen is it will keep graining this trend line as a resistance like this, and it will make a new high also. So this channel will retest the down trend line here, and then it will fall if it once it make the new high also. So that is the chances, so beware of that. But it's according to that weekly chart, it's showing that the rejection, and it's looking like a downward hammer for a bearish price action. But even though it can do anything in forex, so here also the same kind of structure here. After that lot of consolidation, same thing, it's consolidation, it did the downward hammer, same thing it happened here, same downward hammer, and again it came down. So lot of examples I can give, but if you know that the candlestick pattern in the resistance, that is a valid. So let's see, there is a one more opportunity also there, but even though it is a bearish price action only, now I am expecting. So right now here, and once again I need to explain you. See, in the 1 hour chart, this looks like a 5 swings. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. But this could be a 1, 2, this could be a 3, and a 4 can make a here, and then fifth way can also come down here itself. So that could be a leading diagonal of wave 1 or A. So what I'm expecting here is it has to come to the downside only, but what kind of pattern it will come, that is the most important thing you need to understand. Simply I will tell like this, and I will inform you, and I will draw here, but it won't come immediately that same kind pattern. What kind of pattern it will do? See, right now we know there is a rejection from here, so we have to short and then just keep watching on what kind of wave formation is doing. Right now for me it's looking like a five-way structure, so it can, what it will do is another three-way structure can make from here to here, then it will shoot from like this. But now I'm expecting like this, but next week in the Monday or Tuesday what it will do is again the three-way structure, it will do like this. So at that time what everybody is saying, and if I posted like this, what you need to do is don't need to buy, and I'm cleanly explainly surely every week I'm explaining the same thing. This is a downtrend, means you need to be in sell side only, don't be the pullback, don't play the pullbacks. I'm expecting it can do like this, but it can do like this also, lot of patterns it can do. Or if it is a 1, this is a 2, the 1 2 3 4 5 it can make, and again for the fourth wave and then fifth wave. So you need to understand the Elliott waves, otherwise it is very tough what I'm explaining here and what I'm expecting here. So what kind of trades you have to take, like that only if you know that Elliott waves only you can understand my view also, what is the safer trade, which one we have to take and where we have to place the stop loss. Like that every can you can understand. So simply I am explaining now, it has to go to for the three waves. I will post and I will share like this only. Simply if it is a February retracement for this swing, if it comes to the 786 you can sell, but market won't do like that. What we expected here is a rejection and it's giving. So in this also we can't get the clear vision and what we expected. See, this is the one more opportunity, and I will explain that another opportunity also. See, another possibilities. What it will do is, if it is a 1, is a 2 in diagonal way, or what I'm saying, so this becomes 3 and this will become 4, and 4 it could be like this, or it could be a triangle, and then it can be downside for the fifth way. So it will be like this in 1 hour. So simply if you change to the 4 hours, it will look like that wedge formation of 5 waves. In the 5 waves it will come like this in, if it is in 4 hours. See, like this, 1 2 3 4 5. So we have to watch only if we are already in that trade in the current direction. Don't do anything, don't add anything until it confirmation. So once it can do anything also here, what I explained here, and apart from my knowledge also it can do little bit complex correction also here. So don't do according to my view, what I'm the positional view you have to understand. So I'm expecting the rejection, and already it gave. See, from here I'm expecting the rejection, and in past I have lot of view. From here also it can come down to this level and to break this, and then again it has to go back. But what was my previous plan? If it comes here we need to buy. That is the thing I need to explain you. There is a, if it is a chances to break this, means anyway it has to go and make this high, it has to break. So at that time if it comes from here, if it didn't break, means if it comes here we need to buy. So that trade we need to lose this trade. You don't take this trade. If it comes here you need to buy for this trade. But what happened, I expected that, but it didn't happen. So expecting here, if you sell that you will be in loss. So that is why, see, anyway what I'm expecting, it has to break this, and if it comes to near to this zone. If you want you can check my past video also and in trading view also. In this lot of views I have posted, there is a chances to make this like here if it did break that time, there is a chances to make a three ways like this, and then it will took this bottom, and then it can do like this. So if it does, we need to buy here for this trade. Otherwise, if it grinding like this, if it goes to that 1.350, I have posted that also, simply we don't want anything and we need to short here. So that is why we need to understand that Elliott waves. That is a very useful for me. So now see, I exactly quoted that exact top level and I am in the profit. So now also I just keep watching, and if it any pullbacks, if it is ended here what I am expecting, I will book only off. And what I will do is, if it comes the three ways to the upper side, I will refill my position. I won't add. So you need to understand that. And here also what I expect in the DXY also, it can do the complex also, complex correction. It will come like this to this resistance zone. Now it is acted as a support, and it will again bounce from the three ways, and it will do like this or here. So what it will do, if it is an AB equal to CD pattern, so again we are in that complex correction also. So here it can do triangle also, how I expected in the DXY. So this is the right time to make a new low, to break that 1.034 in the positional. Here this need to break. So now it's the chances whether it will make in this way, or it will do more complex here and then it will come to the downside. That we can't say here. What we have to do is, we need to short here and just keep on watching that waves formation. So whether if it is doing like this after the 5-way structure, and you mark this as an support and resistance marks in that zone, the 4 hours. See, this is the major support zone now. So what it will do, simply we need to watch. If it comes here, we need to book off and expecting for this pullback. If it happens, if getting the three ways get over, you need to be in sell side. So that time it will make a new another here also, it's a complex correction. It will do like this, and then it can do like here. So only the thing is, what I'm explaining here is, you just need to know the trend continuation. What is the trend? When will be the trend is reversing like that? But these are all the trades you need to have an own talent and own knowledge of Elliott waves. Then only you can think about what are the possibilities, how the wave formation will happen, what kind of pattern it will do, or what are the characters of that B, A, W, X, Y, everything you come to know. So simply what I'm saying is, just it has to get rejected. What is my target? It has to reach 1.06359 as well as 1.0342. But this is not an investment, this is a trading. So we can't do and just simply, I'm a full-time trader, so simply I just shorted here and then I can't wait for that, because lot of trades is happening here. If you know, only you have to touch this trade. Otherwise, going for the another work as a part-time, just you can trade like that also. Because of me as a full-time trader, I need to get an opportunity to make more money. So what I will do is, this is for the positional, means I will keep this, and if it is in confirmation for the intraday, I will took only sell. So you try to understand that. this is a sell, the trend is changed means I will be in sell side only. So I will took only sells for the intraday and will book immediately within that what the target is there at the time. So you need to understand that, don't blindly follow me, because see, I won't place a stop loss here itself. I'm trading and I already took the 2 positions here itself, and what happens, it already broken the high again. Even though if you know the Elliott waves also, we can't label this kind of wave price action, we can't label here. The thing is, we identify the pattern and the swings. See, this is a 1 2 3. Okay, what I last time expected, it could be a B, C also. So now what I'm saying, it could be W, so X, A, B, C also. And another way is, it could be a X here as a triangle. So this whole thing become ABC is a Y also, and I'm expecting here. And one more view also I'm expecting, if it is a W, so from if it reached here, it could be a X, and again one more ABC can go above this high also. So this, it can do anything. That only thing is, we need to short here and we will watch the wave formation, and then again I will book the profit and I will exit. If it is a confirmation, if it is only 3 ways doing means, again what I will do is, again waiting for the 3 ways to complete, and again I will short there. And if again if it comes this like this 3 ways and it didn't break this low means, again it will go like this to make a C wave. So again what you will do, just keep on watching that, and if it goes above this level also, you don't get panic, because what I said, this if it is a W, this if it is a X, this could be another X or Y. So this is a connecting wave of X, and ABC is a Z. So this is a 5-wave corrective structure here. And one more thing is, I need to explain here. I said this is a W and this is a X. So again if it break this high, so this X is not a valid, but what I'm trying to say is, these all for our identification. If it breaks this, what I will do is 1 2, the whole thing is 3, so we are in the 4th wave in the diagonal 5-wave corrective structure. So in that time, for the 4th wave, it can break this high also. So this is not that valid. What I'm saying is, if it the price action, if it breaks this, simply we need to changing the count, that's it, changing the label. So that time we no need to place here. So that time what I will explain here is 1 2 3 and 4, because of the diagonal triangle. This is the ending. So I will come to that point of the ending diagonal also in gold. It's very interesting. I will explain that gold. So right now I'm expecting is through that it has to reach the first target of 1.1. So then I will update that in trading view, whatever it is, if it is gold interest. So let's move on to GBP USD. So yeah, this is the GBP USD. Explained several times. This, it could be a 1 2 3 4 5, and this is a simple ABC. And whether we didn't know if it is A B means it's a 5-way structure. So I explained here, and it already does the same thing. 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. So again this is the Roman letter 3rd is finished, 4th came down, and 5th it already did that 1.28. This is that trend line what I placed here. So after this also, what I said, it can come like this and it can join to the trend continuation to the downside. but it has a chances. If it is a B C means it has a chances to make here again A B and then C. So these are all the possibilities. So what we have to do is, if you want to sell here, you can sell here, and again if it comes like this way, and again you need to split your position and again you need to sell here, because I won't do the GBP trades, just for explaining and analyzing only for you. So if you splitted your position in here, and again if you get enter in this trade in the sell, you are in profit now, and it is in break even. If you sold your position here, it is in break even now if you catch it in the high. So let's move on to that live chart. Yeah, see, 3, 4 and 5 is completed. So now this X wave is finished here. So whether this is a W means this is an X, and now I am expecting to the downside. So this is the trend line what I have placed in previous. This trend line was that. Here, this trend line. Yeah. So now I am expecting the downside only. As per this, it has to reach the first target, at least it has to reach here 1.2120250. So what will be that in 15-minute chart? Let's keep going. Let's see what kind of wave formation here it will do, because I won't trade the GBP, so I won't look it in 15 minutes to trade, because it's just for analyzing. I will just keep this in 1 hour and I will keep on watching. So it's already did here. Now this is valid, so this is, I think it may or may not. So now what is the possibility is a 1 2 3 is finished. So what is the next? It has to come to the downside to break this low, because same as the EU, GU also one more new low, AU, NU, everything I have explained that in previous videos also. So my positional view is it has to break this low. So now it is getting ready, but can't say when it will break that low. It will make a more complex correction, and then again it can do or whatever, because it's a one ABC is over. So here also it's looking like one ABC is over, and then again it came down. So same thing here also, one ABC is over, here ABC is over. So everything, once it get completed, again it is coming to the downside to break this low. So like that, it's a ABC is over. Now it has time to break this. But again, what I'm trying to say is, please understand, once this it comes to like this, and again if it bounce means there is a chances, and again it will do this, because this become A, B and C. So we can make it as a B, C means if it is a 5-way structure, if you place it as W, X, A, B, C. So this is also a possible in the future. So, and again you don't ask that, because once it get rejected 3 ways, you are expecting this way to break. It's not in my hand. If I know everything, I'm a billionaire. So try to understand that wave structure and the price action. So once what I will do is keep on watching. If it making a 3-way structure and the 5-way structure is completed, I will exit my off position, and then again I will wait for this, and again I will refill my position, and then again I will trade for the C wave. So keep watching your waves formation, then only you have to book the profit and you need to enter in the trade. Simply don't follow me. expecting this, what I'm expecting for the positional view. It will take more time also. It will do more complex correction here, and then it will break this. See, last time also, in previous also, I had told it has to break this low. But how long it took the time? From here in this low has to break. But how long it took? Nearly 2016 to 2000. It took the time of 2 years. But still now what I'm saying is it has to break this. So at what kind of time frame it will do in the market? So we are not investor, we are trader. So and these are all the corrections. Everything it's making three ways. It's not like this. Market will consolidate 70% of this. Only the 30% is impulsive. So if you know well about to labeling on what is doing in the correction of the 70% of the market, only the 30% is impulsive, then you need to watch more, and then you have to took the trade for the 30% impulsive wave. So 70% you need to be watchable. Only 30% you need to trade. So more watchable, and then only trading only for the 30% only. So let's move on to next pair. Next, Australian dollar. I think I had written here. Yes. See, this analysis I already placed before the year itself. Skip on the trend line, and last time also I told you will get the rejected in the trend line. This is a bearish trend line. Exactly, it broke the trend line, but it getting rejected and it's closed below that. So now I am expecting the same thing, but this is one more I will explain you. In here also lot of confusing, and I have already lot of post I have posted it here. But what is my positional target? It has to reach this trend line. But what are the possibilities there? It can do like this also, and then it can do like this. I have explained that also from here itself, but it didn't came. So we missed this trade, but again I catched here, and again I shorted from here itself. So I didn't done anything from here itself. I just did only one position because I don't know what will be happening, because I won't place any stop loss. So whether it is the end of the trend, we are in the bullish swing, or again it will make a new low. I am expecting my bias is new low it has to create. So I just keep on shorting here in the trend line. It's not blindly shorting. So according to my wavecon, my strategy, I am doing that. So now I'm in profit in AU, NU, EU, everything I'm in profit. And keep on watching. I will book my 150 pips. I will book my 25 to 30% of my lot sizes, because I don't want to leave that profit. Because I don't place a stop loss, again it will go like this also. I won't get panic, because it will give one more pattern also, and we need to understand that. And again in that pullback or whatever it is, then if it is a clear bullish trend, and I need to accept my loss, and I will change my position to that trend, but not immediately. So try to understand here. And one more thing I need to explain you here is from the positional. I will just screenshot this. My view is screenshot is not again. Yeah, it's working. So here is 1A, here here's the one A, yeah, A, B and C is over. So after that we need to go like this only. I don't want to break this, so it's already did. So what now my view is, this is a connecting wave, and again what it has to do, A, B, C. So once this connecting wave and the one ABC is over means it has to be in bullish like this. But how we know this is the connecting wave is ended here, or it is making a irregular flat and then is the end of the correction means, I will explain you here. If this is an end, so why this, it could be a connecting wave from here to here. So if it is, this is a connecting wave, again we will see that one more low, and here also this wave formation here, it's looking like very messy, and here also very messy, and this wave is impulsive. And once again this is already above 1618, so that is why I'm not consider it as an irregular flat, but the pattern is same. It's according to the Elliott waves. Once if it above that 1618, we need to consider it as a trend continuation to the downside. It is not irregular flat. So that is why I just kept it as a W. If it from here, if it bounce means that is different, but it's already did a three-way structure to the downside above that 1618. So that is why I'm just keep this as an A, B, C is a X is completed or Y is completed. But in this way I'm not very sure. There's a lot of messy and diagonal pattern here. So this for me it's simply just we need to understand the pattern. This could be a. So see, this is not according to the Elliott waves. This is what I'm trying to say is just we need to understand that patterns. So if this is an irregular flat, then again it can be make a one more new low also. But according to that Elliott waves, we need to place as a B, C as a Y is completed, again X, W, X, and again A, B, C for Z wave. So that is simply called as a 5-wave corrective structure. So that is why I have placed this a 1, 2, 3, 4, and again one more ABC to the downside to break this previous low of 651, I think 6506 or something. So it has to break this. But here what I'm expecting, this is simply one ABC is over. So a lot of complex correction can make here. It can do a triangle also, so that will took more time than here also. If it is struck within triangle, that will took more time to break out from here. So try to understand. So now we will one second, I will explain in that 1 hour also. So right now what I said is same to the downside only now. So it's looked like a one single swing is over. Now we are making that A, B, C, B. So C I'm expecting here it has to come, then again it can come to the downside. But this kind of pattern will make, or it can come to the downside here and then it make a irregular flat. It will do like this and then again it will come down. If you expecting here, if you took a buy here, you will be in loss. So just I already shorted here in this zone. Just keep on watching only. Nothing I won't add here. Immediately I won't add. Because I'm already having against the dollars everything. Now I'm in long dollar means all pairs Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, Euro dollar. So the three, and UK dollar I'm having the long. So everything I'm against that. So it's not against, it's based on the dollar. All everything is dollar trades only. So I won't do any cross currencies pairs also. So that is why I splitted my entries, and I won't use, if I'm trading only the one Australian dollar or New Zealand dollar or Euro dollar, I can do lot more lots, only the one trade, only one pair I can stick with that. But I'm just analyzing every pairs, and I need to split my trades in everything. If it is a scalper, I'm doing on the scalper, what they will do, only one pair they will stick to that, and they will enter and exit, that's it. Scalping is a more talented trader. It's not for us, for me. I'm a swing trader. So scalping need a more emotions, it will get panic everything, but I am not that kind of personality. I will get more emotion, but after it come to this field, I'm little bit not nervous, not panic, because all under our risk management and money management and the risk reward, everything is under my positions. I'm taking what it's according to my money management. So let's move on to New Zealand dollar. So before that, we just say the last week what I said. We already saw that Australian dollar. So now what I said, New Zealand dollar, it can do like this, and it will get rejected from that 6.5. Same it did. So let's move on to New Zealand. So exactly it's 6.56, and now we are in the downtrend. So the trend reversed for me. It's looking like, so here also what I did, 1A, B and C, the three-way structure is over. So I'm expecting to the downside to break that low, and this also here, as per that same Australian dollar, now in that US New Zealand dollar, it didn't break that 1618, so that is still valid. So if we place, if it is a W, so this could be an, I will explain here, this whole thing becomes A, B, C. So this A, I'll change the color. So this it's already dead. So according to that fib expansion here, from this to high, the rejection, we are on that 786 for this wave. So simply it's called as ABCA, ABCB and ABCC. So this is an irregular flat of a running flat in X. Again I am expecting ABC to break this low. So that is my view. Same thing happened in Australian dollar, but that is beyond that 1618. This we can consider as a, here one more W. So here X. So ABC is finished. So this X we can place here, and ABC to the downside. But what I'm saying is, this could be a end of the trend also, because if it is a connecting wave here, if we make it this as a connecting wave, because A, B, C is over, so it is a W. So this is a connecting wave X. So A, B, C is over means this we can consider as a bullish swing. That is why I'm explaining, don't bias on this for my target. I will again, what I will do, if it comes to here in this zone, I will change if it confirm me. So I won't stick to my wave count. need to be flexible, otherwise you will hit by the market. So what I'm saying is now it has a one more chances. But here after the confirmation, for me, if it is a very clear direction, it will go to the upper side, means I will change my bias, and I will change my predictions. I will tell what is the end of the trend, and again beyond that bullish wave only. So what it will do, it can do like this also, and again it can fall. So according to this also, see from here to here, it's a W, means this is a X. So this is a ABC is a W, again ABC is a X, and again this can make here. So after this only again it can break this low. So if we keep on going, lot of thinking will happen. That is why I'm saying thinking is not, it's not the power. What we have to see, what we are seeing here, we need to trade, and we need to be very flexible in our count. Don't stick to your count. We need to be very flexible. What we are seeing, just next we can think. But what I'm thinking like this, it may happen or may not, but there is a chances, and this is also valid. It will reach 7.2, and then again it can break this low also. So don't bias and don't follow me blindly. That is my advice to you all. So next we will move on to USD JPY. This is also very interesting one. And what I said, I am already in buy from 21st April, from here itself, and then at 108.44. And last week, I will show you here what I'm expecting here is, see, last week, it's A, B, C if it is over. So this will be a B and C, and my bias is first possibility as a diagonal. Okay, so here is one ABC 1, so ABC 2, so this whole thing become A, B, and again I am expecting for the C wave to the upper side. So I already exited my position here at 109.5 in this position at the time, and I refilled here because expecting this channel and expecting this wave. What I did is I again added my position at 108.5 here. So because in the 21st April also I entered at 108.4, here I had again refilled my position at 108.5. now it came back to 106.8. so I don't know at that time what it will happening. So and already I have posted this is the second possibility as a complex correction here. So this is the third. If it bounced from here, and it has a chances to make this also for the third. So first possibility is the diagonal, second possibility is in complex correction, third is also a complex correction. Exactly what I have to do is I refill my position. Simply I booked that 110 pips profit, and immediately I have refilled the same zone. Again it came back to 106.8, and it already broken this low also. So I will explain you there. See, in past one second, yeah, I placed like this, just clone. So I entered in this zone 108.5. So expecting this 105, I entered 108.5. At that time, I'll show you in 1 hour. At that time, what I thought is okay, A, B, C. Here it's over, I thought. So that is why I entered here, expecting this as in support. So and my view also at the time at 108.5 I expected, and then again it has to go to that break above this low, this high. So I entered here. What it did, without any pullback it came down. So now the first possibility is invalid as a first possibility as a diagonal. And here I need to explain. See, again this is looks like a very bearish, but it's look like for me it's a zigzag in the second wave here. Here it's looking like for me 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 2 3 4 5. So here I'm expecting A is over. So this is a downtrend. So B is over here and C is over here. So for me it looked like zigzag. So zigzag will happen in the second wave only, and it's already nearly almost 80% to 90% here. So here what I'm expecting and how I'm counting here is 1 2 3, the whole thing is a 4, it's a triangle A B C D E, and then fifth wave is over. Here is the third wave is a shallow, and this is a diagonal waves. So this is a leading diagonal. That is why it's a 1 2 3 and 4 is very messy, and it's also near to that wave 1. If it touches also it's no issue because it's a leading diagonal. So 1 2 3 4 5, because of the third wave is a very it's not that much lengthy, and the fifth wave got extended. So it may, we can keep it this as a 1 2 3 4 5 also. See, I'm not biased on this count. What I'm saying is this has a chances like this also. We can count like this also. So if it is a wave 1 in the leading diagonal, so wave 2 maybe it can be a zigzag also. And I didn't done anything because yesterday only I got this view. So right now, and again I get entered in the 15 minutes also. Here is a 5-way structure is ended, and this is a 3-way structure. Here also I will change the color. It's look like here 1 2 3 4 5. So whether if it is a 1 2 3, so we are in the triangle for the fourth wave. So it will go like this, and then if it did this, the next third wave end, this is the support zone. So I will enter here. Again I will add my position here, and then it will took off for the third wave. So this is my view. Else if it did happen this, if it is A B C, and again it will keep on messy and it will overlapping, and then again if it comes down, I won't do anything. It has to break this, and my next I will add at only 104.2 or 105, whatever it is, because I'm already having that 108.5. So what I'm thinking now is that same, this could be a diagonal because the B wave is over. So we are on the C wave. So 1 2 3 4 5 as a leading diagonal. and then is the second way is a zigzag. So third way has to shoot from here. If it did here what I explained here, and again I will enter it only here, or if it keep shooting means I won't worry about that until it, if it breaks, then again I will look the wave formation and I will enter in that pullback only. Don't enter immediately. If it breaks this, I need to confirmation by seeing my wave formation here. So if it did like this, I won't add anything. I will keep adding only at 104.2, 104.3 like that, or 105 from this zone, because it didn't break this low also here and it bounced. So we will have to watch here, then only I will enter to the trade. At the same time, gold is also getting structured in that range zone. So once it already came down, but gold is not moved that much. So let's see how it move in that next week. So USD CHEF, I will explain. I need to explain here USD CHEF. See, I explained here it can be a WX. If it is a break this only, it is valid. So it didn't break that time. I expected this wave also. So not blindly I bought here, because if it comes here I need to sell. So this is my past idea, but what it is invalid, get invalid. Now it came down from here itself to 100 9375 something, it's made a low. I didn't done anything because I'm already having lot of things in UJ, UCAD, AU, NU, EU and oil. So I didn't done in USD CHEF. So this was my past. Now this view is get invalid. So we will move on to that here. So what is the wave formation means? We have to stick for that old pattern. This is it could be a same thing here. So if it is a W, it's not now here. So A, B, C, A, B, C, D and E is finished here. So we need to label it as an EX. Here, and this is the A, B and C. So here also the three-way structure is finished. So now it is getting ready for that X wave. It's already finished. Now we need to break this high. So that is why view now. So if it comes to the downside, you can buy, but according to this view, the 4 hours, it has to break this high, because once A, B, C, it's like DXY only, same thing. So I'm expecting the DXY also to break that high. So here also, if it break this, that is the target for me. So here also I'm expecting that three-way structure, because this is a W, X, or if it is a B means it will keep on going, but you have to enter in the three-way structure. So this is my bias on USD CHEF. So next we will move on to, we finished everything here, JPY, yeah, we will move on to the gold. So gold, one interesting, I need to explain you. I got an idea of yesterday only. So my positional view, you have to understand. There is a W and the triangle is an X. So A is finished, B is finished, C also finished in that diagonal pattern, and then I keep that as a Y, and we are in that X wave of irregular flat. So I need, one second, I will explain you in the 4 hours. Yeah, this is the end of the Y wave, and this is a W. So these are all the intermediate wave. So W, X is an irregular flat. So this X is an irregular flat, double bracketed X. So I'm expecting this has to come to at least 1520 or 1530 or 1550, whatever it is. It has to come to this zone, and then only it has to shoot for that Z wave. Because if it is an end of here, means it has to come to the downside only, not to break the high. So if once it's a break the high, means that is confirmed as in the irregular flat, and there is a one more wave impulsive to the upper side. So this was my past view. Now there is no change, nothing. Just I need to explain you in the simple way. Just hide all these drawings. Here I will just take a screenshot. So this is a triangle. So this is a triangle. So this is a W. So this is an X. This is an X. So A is completed here, B is completed here. So the next is C wave. So what I thought is it's ended here as an Y, and again I am expecting as an irregular flat of X, and then again Z. But the simplest way is W, X is finished, A is also finished, B is also finished, we are on the C wave. So C wave contains of 5 waves, and it could be an ending diagonal also. So this is what I am explaining here is, this is the wave 1, it's completed here, and wave 2 is completed, 3 is also completed now. What I'm expecting is the 4th wave. So we are in that 4th wave. It will decline up to 1520, and then again that 5th wave has to come to that upper side in the 3-way structure. So this is an ending diagonal triangle. So each wave got an ABC1, ABC2. So here is also, we already did that ABC3. So ABC4 we need to trade, and again one more ABC to the 5 to the upper side to finish that diagonal triangle. So what is the rules? What is the diagonal triangle? So one second, it's recording. So I just here, yeah, is the diagonal rules. So of the end of the 4th, so diagonal will happen only in the 5th wave, in the end, and the C wave. So what we are in the C wave, so here we have to consider as a B. So ABC1, ABC2, ABC as a 3, ABC as a 4, we are in that gold, and ABC as a 5. So here what is the rules? Wave 1 and wave 3rd. Wave 3rd is not over that 161. So means it has to be a less than that 161. So these both the waves are within that 161. So here it's also not above the 161. From here is a wave 1, so this is a wave 2 is ended here. So within that 127 only we have, within the 127. So this is the end of the third wave. So that rules is apply here. 1, 2, 3 is completed. We are in the fourth wave. After that, one more ABC has to be and above 1800, or maybe it could be a 1900 also, or 1885, 1875, above 800. So this was my plan. So A, B, so we can make it as a X, a Y, and we are the X wave means again ABC, the same plan. So instead of Y we are making the 1. So this is the third wave. Sorry, this is the three-way structure. I explained that in the previous also. So this is the end of the second wave. Third, fourth, fifth, both are valid. So once it completed this structure, then we have to watch for that upper side to trade above this 1765, but it could travel up to 1850 also. So let's move on to that 1 hour what I am explaining here for this week. So what I here is the two options. What I did is I execute my position at 1742, and I exited at 1732. The $10 profit I took in the gold, because here it's look like A and the triangle B and C. So this is a W I placed at, but I'm not confirmed this as an X wave, because this could be a here. I'll change the color. A. So B is a three-way structure here, and C. So this could be a irregular flat. So this could be a X, can be a here also. So if X is here means I'm expecting to the downtrend A, B and C to break or to reach this zone, or that's 1650 or 1645 or 1660, whatever it is, it has to break this low. So once that is confirmed, means the whole thing is in downtrend only. So the 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, so everything all get the three waves only here. So maybe if it is be like this also, we are in the downtrend or one. So anyway it has to decline to this zone up to 1710 also, it has to give for me. So that is why I have already shorted my position at 1742 because of that Friday or Monday, because I'm not sure about this wave. So in past when I was executed my trade, it was so confirmed for me, and then I exited, and after that also it again bounced, but I didn't done anything, because if it breaks means that it could be anything else. It will keep graining like this and it will reach, and then again it will fall like this. So anyway I'm looking for this again. So that is why I have shorted here, but I'm not so satisfied with that. Because of that Thursday I think I shorted here, and then I booked back at the here the $10, because at that time it came to that 1719. It is early morning, so I didn't catch this. So I exited here in this position at 1732 once it break this high. That is why I exited at 1732. So again it bounced back, and again it's getting rejected. So what kind of wave formation here it will do, can't say here. So it's not breaking this trend line. So it will do like this, and then again it will be a bigger fall. So one view is like that, and that another view is the X is already ended here, it could be ended here, and beyond that bigger W. So bigger W means it can be a same that X wave has to happen. So once it finished here, and we need to be a trader for A and B and C. So that is why I'm not shorted here. I'm not shorting here. Once I shorted and then I exited. Now I'm looking for the short only, but because this wave, how that here also the trend line is also already broken and it's getting retested. Here this trend line is broken and again it's retested. So there is a lot of chances to make another high also. So it can go, if above that 1755, I will again short only in the small positions. So and the UJ is also not confirmed me. It's a one more chances. So if UJ, if it is in bullish, then again it will come to the downside. And one more view for me is I have explained and I have posted in that. I will screenshot this, because if it is a ABC B, ABC B, C is a wave 1, so this is wave 2, the whole thing is wave 3, and this thing could be the whole thing, because it didn't break this 1657, it didn't break. So this could be a wave 4. Again what we will do is simply it will come like this. So A, B, C, D, E. After that it will took off for that 1780 lower level, because of what I expected in that 1774 I expected, but it didn't reach the 1775. So this also a possible. Again it will come to like this for my target of 1520. So this is the zone. I need to break this low of 1757, then only it is confirmed for me to the downtrend. Until this is a valid. Again it will took all the stop loss above the here, and then again it will fall. So that is why I'm not holding that short position here. So if it is a positional, I won't care about that. So because I have already a lot of positions in AU, EU, I have said several times. So only the intraday, I'm shorting the gold only for the intradays, not for holding that. This is not the right time to hold the position here in this zone. It's not yet confirmed. So if it is confirmed means I need to break this low. So after that only I will enter in the trade and I will hold the trade. Up to till that I won't hold the position in buy or sell in gold. So these are the next alternative view also, because it's, if it is a ABC A, ABC B, C 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 also be a fourth way, a triangle, and the fifth way can go above this level and then immediately it will fall. So that is also valid for my count. So mind that, according to that you can play that. So, and one more view is, if it is ended here as a triangle and this is for my previous, now what I'm expecting here is, so A, B, C is completed, or the whole thing is A, B and C, it has to come like this, or it can do like here, so ABC A, ABC B, and then again C. So these are the three possibilities what I'm expecting here. So until here, if it breaks only, I will enter the trade and I will hold the trade. So this was my bias for this week. So we will move on to the silver. Silver also same, it doesn't make any sense. So if at the time what I am expecting that gold can go little bit higher, means this also can go higher like this here once more, or it could be like this and then again it can be a downside also. It's look like a head and shoulder pattern also. So this is a left shoulder, this is a head, and this is the right shoulder. So once it break this neckline, So whether it is retesting, once it will go like this, and it will fall like this severely, like this, or it will give like this, and then again once again it will retest, and then again it may fall. Sometimes the retest will happen, and sometimes because it's already holding that 1 2 3 4 and 5 times it's holded. So from here after the bullish is a third time, so it won't again and again, it may not retested that immediately, it will fall after this, making the three-way structure here. So be cautious in this, otherwise it will keep on draining that, keep overlapping, and then again sudden fall will be happen. So if that gold, what I said is a fourth wave, and fifth wave can shoot up to 1680, what I said. So here I am not able to count this wave. I have completed here the 3, 4th and 5th. So if it does that same thing, it could be again, so A, B, C, D, E. So again I need to that fifth wave, A, B, C, D, E. So it can go above this also, what I said in gold, it can travel a little bit and then again it may fall. So this was my idea of silver. So let's move on to Bitcoin. So same, it I'll explain you here. Just it's keep on that pennant form. So whether it is at I thought it is the end of the fourth wave, and it's already did, and immediately it fall below this trend line, bearish trend line, and keep rejection in this trend line. This is the positional trend line, the bearish trend line. So whether it will make a bullish or bearish, and from the past month it didn't get a clear view here. Let's keep on, see, it's a A, B, so C, D and E, and then again it can shoot also for the fourth wave or anything else, because I'm not watching that much closely here, because it's very messy and overlapping all three waves, and sudden falls and sudden bounces happening here. See, lot of spikes. So these are all, this is not the right thing to trade here in the Bitcoin. Just keep on watching. See, here is a higher, let's make a higher high and a lower, and then again it didn't, it's a triangle, what I said, and again it's making a lower high, and again here also lower high. So keep on watching this, and here it's accepted, then again it broke this anchor. It's a 1 hour anchor, or maybe it's a 4 hour also. So what I'm thinking here is it can go like this, and then again it may fall. So only once if it breaks close and in the daily chart close below this levels, then only it is continuous to that downtrend. Until here, this is valid for A, B, C and D, then E, and then again it can shoot. So at that time here is, if it is completed here means ABC, so this whole thing become a triangle, means if it is a WX, again it will keep on shooting to the 14,000 levels and above this here, because once here is a three-way structure is completed, 1 2 3, so it's a ABC is completed. Now we are in that consolidation, whether we don't know whether it is to be another A, B, C to break this high for the 13,700 something. So we don't know, because it's making a triangle here. Whether it is a triangle or it's look like a triangle, can't say here. So that is why I'm not trading here. So my bias is either it can go below 4,000 or it will get the 4,900 or 5,000, and again it is making a triangle also. So anything is valid. So just watching here, close above this level would be bullish to above this for 13,700. That I'm sure about this. Else if it break this 8,000, then it is a bearish. So leave this trade, this wave trade, and looking for the 3 waves. Again we can short there. So patience is the main thing in this trading. So until the confirmation, clear confirmation, don't enter the trade and don't bias on this. So this is a triangle, it's looking like a triangle, so at least we will place the stop loss and then we can took the trade. So unnecessarily it's looked like a triangle, but it's not confirmed as a triangle. Understand that if it is a triangle, the valid is we need to take above this 10,400 for the bullish triangle. What I'm saying is if it is a W, so if it is a X is a triangle, so we need to take a trade above that 10,400. So until that, if it is a triangle only, if it did the same thing of E and that wave is crossed above that only, it is considered as a triangle, then you have to be in trade and above this 10,400 level. This is a massive resistance zone, 10,400. That is why it's a very buyers are keep buying in that lower levels, sellers are keep selling in the higher levels. So that is it's consolidating here, either for a bearish, it's accumulation, or a distribution. We can't say anything here. So let's move on to S&P. And we missed the crude also. So first we finished the crude. One second, US oil. Yeah, in the US oil also, I got an idea and I have explained you. Yeah. Here is the end of the 5th wave. So I'm expecting it has to reach the 24, but first time it has to, first target is $30. That is was my first target, and then again bounce, and again it has to get rejected in this zone. So whether this is the end of the correction of ABC for the 5 bullish waves, after then only, after the bigger ABC, then again it can shoot for that again $250 again. So that was my previous past week view also. That same thing in WTI COUSD, that Texas oil. So I thought it could be A, B and C is ended. But now what is the change here is, I'll show you. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So whether the 3rd way is completed, 4th is a triangle and 5th is ended here, or it could be a, you have to understand this, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th wave is got ended here, so that will become the bigger 3rd, 4th and then 5th, or this is the end of the 3rd wave here, this 3rd wave. Why I am expecting here is this could be a, after the 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then here is a triangle, and again it should. So this A, it's look like a AB is equal to CD pattern. So this could be a triangle of a 4, or 4th is ended here, means 1, 2, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the 3 is ended over here, 4th is a triangle, 5th wave. So this wave is extended, the 5th of this wave is extended. If it is a triangle, this is ended. If it is not a triangle, that is why I have explained, if this is a triangle of 4, So this is a 4, so 5 waves is completed in this wave 1. But doubt for labeling here, what I expected here is, if this is the wave 4th of triangle, so this also that still be having wave 5 and may break the high, because if we keep this as a 1, 2, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the end of the this 3, 4 and 5. So this whole thing is the third wave ended, and we are in that fourth wave. That is why I confused, but I already did that short. Anyway, the fourth wave has to happen. For this we no need, and we can't say whether this is a deeper correction for what I said is the $24, or whether it is we are in the fourth wave. But we will come to know that in the keep on trading only, we come to know that. So we will move on to the US oil. The same thing I have explained here. I think you can understand that what I'm telling. 1, 2, 3, 4 is ended here, means the whole thing is a fifth wave is got extended. That is why I'm trying to say, because here is a that wave 1, 2, third wave is 141 for the fifth expansion. It's not above the 1618, so the fifth wave got extended. That is my view. So that is why I'm saying, whether anyway we are getting rejected here, and in the Elliott waves it says the end of the third wave, it also looks like the end of the fifth wave. Traders will always looking for that only. We thought it will be a trend changed, and we will do lot of trades, and then again it will hit the stop loss above this. So that has to consider that point, because the third wave, end of the third wave will also look like the end of the fifth wave. So and still that fifth wave is alive. So now what I did is, and I already posted in my this thing also in the FOMC meeting night, I shorted at exactly at 39.6 in the IZ markets, and I booked at 35, I think so. Here itself I booked, yeah, 35.5 I booked, and still now I'm just keep on watching. I booked the profit because I don't know, because that doubt is there whether this is the end of the fourth wave. See, one ABC is over. We don't know how to it will make the correction, because that UCAD is a little bit bullish only. So at that correlation to that UCAD, it may be this is also a fourth wave also. So that we need to do, and lot of homework here. So trading here is very difficult, whether it is because it's a correction wave. Fourth wave is also a correction, or if it is a B, C to the downside of the bigger correction for the $24 also a bigger correction. So trading the correction is very, very difficult. So in that also I took that C wave only. We already did here 39.75. Again I booked the profit, and in the FOMC I refilled my position at 39.5, and again I booked at 35.5. Now I keep on watching that, because I am expecting a little bit bigger consolidation. So I think again it will reach this 38.8 here, and then again I will took for this wave, but we don't know how it will do here. We are expecting here, but expecting here I am not buying. If it comes here, I will be in short side. So we will move on to the WTI once again. In this also, see wave 1, see this is a 5 wave, it's a diagonal pattern. So each wave gotten wave 1 also ABC1, ABC2. So ABC is a W because it's a extended, because third wave also it's looked like extended above that 1618 like that. In the diagonal also we need to place ABC is a W. So X is a triangle. This is also how I have labeled in the US oil also. If we placed here is the AX, so A, B, C is the end of the third wave, and fourth wave is a triangle, and the fifth wave got ended in the diagonal here also. But if we placed this as a AX as a here is ended as a triangle, the whole 5 wave is of A, B, and C. So according to that fib expansion also, see A is equal to AB is equal to CD pattern. It's exactly getting rejected in the same zone. 36. A is equal to A and the getting rejection B is equal to same expansion level 100. Exactly getting rejected. So that is why what I'm explaining here is this could be an end of the X. A, B, C is a W, X, and then this is a 5A is a and B is a triangle, and C is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it getting rejected for the fourth wave. It could be end of the fourth wave, or if it is the end of the fifth wave, it's already dead, means we are in the downtrend. So this is a channel, and it's not, once again, let's see this channel how it will works here, whether it is a fourth wave or already fourth wave is ended, fifth wave and we are the downtrend, or the fourth wave is still alive and we will get that, because that, and we didn't yeah, we missed the UCAD also. Okay, sorry. So we finished that because yeah, we will move on to the USD CAD. Here also it's a W, X is finished in the triangle. So after that, once the W, X means it's a, so B and C is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is a diagonal, ending diagonal triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So each way got a ABC. So once it's a this thing in FOMC, I exactly bought at 1.3325 and I booked at 1.535. In this zone I booked the profit because expecting this zone. I booked the profit at 35, but it keeps shooting, but I didn't worry because I am already having the position at 1.3395 also, so that I am keeping that. What I did is, again in this zone I exited my position, that also, because it's 3 ways again it's making, because we are in that. See, once this A, B, C is over in the downtrend, the whole thing becomes an impulsive way to the downside. So this is a bigger A, for example. Okay, so we need to trade that B wave. So B wave is a very worst to trade because lot of confusions will took place. So whether if it is a B, C, it won't be a like this kind of price action, it won't be here. But if it is a change of the trend, that will be very bullish. But I'm expecting in that positionally I need 1.3. So this is the connecting wave. We are in the connecting wave. After that A, B, C. So this is a W. So we are in the X wave. So that will be messy only. That is why in that 15-minute chart, clearly it's, but I have already placed above this for the buy limit, buy stop here, because in Monday morning anything can happen. That is why I exited my position here itself, 1.3625, because I thought it's a AB, it's forward. Let's see what it will happen. If it, what I'm expecting here is it will 1 2 3 4 5. So again it will go like this, it come like this. Again I will be in buy side at 1.35 to 1 point in this zone, 1.3450. yeah, this is the next support level. If it comes here, I will accumulate what I have booked the profit. One is at 535 and another is a 625. I will re-accumulate here what the position size, and again I will look for that X2. But 1.38 is achievable target for me in that connecting wave. So at that time the crude also be in the bigger ABC, or if it is in triangle, fourth wave triangle, what I said, if it is, we are still in the triangle, means again at the time of crude, if it comes to the $30 or $25, this can make a bullish up to 1.38 also, but that it's not a correlated. It can do from here also if it is a bigger correction. And here also I have a one doubt, because if it is the ABC is a A, ABC is a B, is ended here, 1 2 3 4 and 5. So the whole thing becomes from here, the triangle is ended here, so this whole thing is a 1 2 3 4 and 5. So this looks like a 1 2 3 4 5 at ended here. This could be a B wave also, because if it is an A B C, or if it is a W X, A B and C can come downside also. If it is not an connecting wave, if it is a W X, so this whole become A, and here 1.38 become a B, then C wave to the downside. At the time crude can make a fourth wave, and then again it has a one more fifth wave also there. So a lot of correlation here it's going on, whether it is the end of the correction or it is a continue of that connecting wave. If it is still it's struggling to break this trend line, then there is a chances for crude to go high, and then UCAT again it has to come down. So if UCAT can come down, means again the DXY everything has to be suffer. So mind that, but this is not 100% correlation to that DXY. These are commodity currencies. UJ and UCAT will little bit correlate to the DXY, not 100%. It's not like EU and AU, NU, everything like that. So let's move on. I think once again we will recheck. Yeah, UCAD I finished now. So crude I already did. So Bitcoin we did. So now we move on to SPX. So before that, I think I have already no, I don't have that SPX. Okay, here is a whether it is a 1 2 3 4 fifth wave is completed. What I expected here, from here it has to done the fifth wave, and here it's not clearly for me, it's not visible, but in US 30 it's clearly, I will explain you. Whether it is a 1 2 3 4 5, I will remove this. There are two possibilities is there. So whether 1 2 3 4, so 5 is 1 or A. So this is the three way is a B, and C, what I expected here is the ending diagonal. So at that time last week 1, 2, what I said is 3 may completed here, 4th will come to the 26 zone, 26,600 zone. Again I am expecting that 3-way structure to the upper side to the 28,100 or 28,200. So that was my previous plan, but I told no sell, no buy here in this zone if it comes here, because the third wave, the fifth wave, if we trade it, we thinking it is one more wave to the upper side, but it's already reversed. That is why I'm explaining every time we are not the 100% sure. If it is a third or fourth, if the fifth wave, if it's there, we have to short, not to trade that fifth wave. Having that fifth wave, if it comes here, we have to sell that. And now what I'm changing that count. This is in past my previous count, but now it's already broken that and that count is invalid now. And what I thought is, again, before it coming to the downside here also, so this is a bigger one, bigger two. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is completed. So this is a third wave. So this could be a fourth wave also. Is the end of the fourth wave, and fifth wave can shoot here also. So that is also still valid now. So whether it is doing this wave or it's very bearish, and past days it was correlated to the stocks and gold. If the stocks come down and the gold can go high, but here that it's not 100% correlated to the gold. From here to here it already did that. It already did in the 18th May, it wasn't high. Okay, now we just move on to the 18th May here. So it did the high and the gold came down, but here in this aggressive move also the gold, once again, 9th June, here is the 5th June. So from here it started, 9th June. It's done only the $30. So it is not 100% correlating now. It's a little bit, it depends upon that. I think it's DXY is now correlating, but I am not sure about that. So don't do correlate without, for me also I'm telling, the correlating is very tough job, and we can't trade according to the correlate. What you are seeing this pair, you have to trade that. Just I'm explaining that how I'm correlating that gold with UJ and DXY or stocks. So now my conclusion is, once the stocks, it's what I'm saying in US 30, if it is still valid for that fifth wave to the go higher, here, if it has a higher, then gold can reach that, what I said, that 1560 or whatever it is. But if it is also coming down also, gold can also come down. That is not an correlation, what I said previous. Or if it is at the gold wave, one more idea was I told, right? If it comes down, the gold can, if it is in fourth wave, still the fifth wave, it can go to the 1780 also. Then it will still to the downside only. So now, and one more view is, I'll explain you this A, B, C, if it places as W, you neglect this 1 to the Roman letters. and the whole thing is a triangle. That is why I placed here. The W is ended here. So this is A, B, C, D, E, and for this wave exactly is 1272. So X is over. So once the X is over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, see, 1, 2, 3, 4 is ended here, or it could be a triangle also here in this zone, or here it's a regular flat. So fifth way is ended here, means it's A, and B is a triangle here, and C is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 here. 1, here is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here also 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is a connecting wave, and then A, B and send 5 waves. So if it is already completed here, so the whole thing becomes a one corrective structure is ended. This whole one corrective structure is ended, A, B, C. So again, what kind of thing here it will make means, for me it's looking like another A, B, C. So at least we will get 78.6, nearly to that 2700 or 2400. So whether this is the positional wave, whether this is the end of the third wave in the diagonal, what I showed you in the weekly chart, the 1, 2, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is finished in the diagonal, and then we are in the fourth wave means, so we can expect a triangle also in the fourth wave. So that is, and this also, that a trend line channel, it's everything matching, and it bounced from the trend line. Now we are in that 786 zone. So again it could make a triangle also. I have already posted that my view in trading view, just to have a look. So whether this is a three-way structure, again it could be making a triangle also. So this is my view for this week, and I hope you enjoyed my analyzing, and you can learn a lot of things from me also. So thanks for watching this this week analyzing and encouraging me. So I think we will recheck once again. US30, Bitcoin, crude, silver, gold, UHF, UJ, UCAD, Australian GBP, UJ. Yeah, we finished everything. So once again, thanks for watching my channel and my analyzing. So thanks a lot for encouraging me. So see you in the next week. Have a nice day.